One of the questions that I get asked a lot is, April, how do you know when you're reading a word problem whether you're supposed to use simple interest or the compound interest formula? It's very simple. When you're reading through the problem, if you see the word compound interest or compounding whatever, if you see the word compound, it's a compound interest problem. If you don't see the word compound, it's simple interest. Because they have to tell you, if it's a compound problem, how they're going to compound it. And on this one, I really do want a different color for this. They're saying that it's compounded quarterly. So quarterly means that M is going to be 4 times a year. Remember, M is the number of times they're going to recalculate interest on a yearly basis. And if they say it's quarterly, that's 4 times a year. And then what else we got here? We've got our interest rate is 5%. And of course, that is our R. So that's 0.05. And then we've got our principal. A principal amount of $8,000. So that is our P. P is the $8,000. And then I need time. Time is right here, 5 years. So, trying to find all the colors I need. Time is 5 years. And we're looking for A. Now this is compound interest. So this is the most obnoxious formula that we have in this section. And it looks like this. Okay. A equals P times 1 plus R over M, all raised to the nth power, where N equals M times T. And so our N, let's see, the M, wrong color, April. That's my T. T is 5, and M is 4, and I need another color. How about purplish? I'm going to multiply those together. N is going to equal 4 times 5, which is 20. So they're going to calculate the interest a total of 20 times. They're going to do it 4 times a year for the next 5 years. That's 20 times they're going to recalculate interest. So going back to my equation, A is going to equal, let's see, P was 8,000. So put that there, times 1 plus my interest rate. I used pinkish for that, didn't I? Yep. That's 0.05 over M, which is 4, close the parenthesis, and you're going to raise that to the 20th power. Now, you should be able to do all of this on your calculator. And on the calculator, there is a button that says Mode. You want to press on that button, and there should be like 4 lines of stuff. The very bottom of the line should say Classic, and then Math Print. You want Math Print. So use your little cursor button. You've got a button on your calculator. It's in the upper right hand corner. It's got little arrows on it like this. And you want to use that to scroll down to Classic and then scroll over to Math Print. so that math print is like highlighted, and then hit enter. And it'll switch the calculator from classic mode to math print mode. And that allows you to type in into your calculator this formula the way you see it. You will hit the 8,000, the parenthesis key, the number 1 key, the plus key, and then for this guy, you are going to hit the button that says N over D, and then type in 0.05 for the numerator, 4 for the denominator, then hit the parenthesis key again, and then to get your exponent, you have to hit the button that has an arrow pointing upward on it. That's your exponent key. And that'll raise it to the 20th power. And then after you've done all that, all you have to do is hit enter. And when you do, it will spit out the answer to this problem. And it does say round to the nearest cent is needed. So it will be $10,256.30. So there you go. And that is number 9.